Welcome to Model Rail Video 12, in our special series of programmes designed to enhance your enjoyment of our monthly Model Rail magazine. Today, we're at Brunel's Paddington, where we're going to take a closer look at an aspect of the British railway scene that deserves a higher profile: the intensive Heathrow Express-service, operated by BAA. It's just 4 years old, and yet it's already carried more than 19 million people. That's the equivalent of roughly 1/3 of the entire British population. As usual, we've got a great mix of tips, techniques and layouts, all designed to enhance your enjoyment of this great hobby of ours. This time we've two very different layouts. We've got Peter Mason's Stoney Middleton, a double O gauge modern image layout, which contrasts very strongly with a layout built by the Isle of Man Model Railway Club, featuring the long gone and much lamented Manx Northern. Dave Lowry continues his open frame baseboard project by building up the scenery. Meanwhile, Darren has gone nuclear. He's making a flask loading terminal. We'll also take another look at the O-gauge plastic wagon kit, which Darren was applying transfers to in the last programme. This time, he sets to work to make the timber look as weathered and as authentic as possible. There's also time to take a close look at some review models from Bachmann, including a Great Western 062 tank and Virgin's new Voyager DMU from Bombardier. Despite an intense interest in modelling the current scene, and the fact that we've had a very varied railway history recently, it remains incredibly difficult for us to find modern image layouts that never leave home. So if you've got one, we'd like to see it. Maybe it's because of the size considerations, but most modern image layouts seem to be either club projects or exhibition layouts. Peter Mason's Stoney Middleton is a superb double O gauge layout that's firmly fixed in the home. It's in his cellar.